Hello my guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lizzie. Go ahead and subscribe down below, and while you're down there you might as well give this video a cheeky old like. So today's video is a bit of a random one actually. I've literally just spontaneously decided to film this. I was putting away my washing this morning and I realised how little space I have in my wardrobe, and that has to change. Like, I don't have the biggest wardrobe you can see here. I mean, it's not small, but it's not big, and I have resorted to, you can probably see it in the background, my clothing rail here, partly for display, partly really functional because I can't fit everything in my wardrobe. But basically my wardrobe is full of clothes that I've been hanging on to just in case I want to wear them, but in reality I haven't worn them in about 5 years and I probably won't wear them ever again. So I think it's time to pop a few more bits on my Depop. I have already got quite a few bits selling for really cheap on my Depop. If you're interested, my username is just Lizzy Capps. I know a lot of people find these videos really quite satisfying to watch, so I thought I would share the process with you guys. So without further ado, I am going to stop rambling and get on with it because we've got a lot to get through, guys. I think this is definitely the portion we're going to have to tackle first. I'm actually quite embarrassed showing you guys this. Obviously we have shoes, I have a random cap and a fedora, and then here this is mostly tops. So tops, cardigans, jumpers. So I bought recently these hangers, which are like vertical hangers, and it's just to make space, but I really don't think they actually do all that much at all. I'm still going to keep them because I kind of want to feel like I'm getting my money's worth, but in reality I wouldn't recommend them. If I haven't worn it in 18 months, it's going. This is going to be a task, but we're going to get through it together, okay? Moral support. Woo! See, I really like this top because I think it is really truly beautiful, but I haven't reached for it in such a long time. Maybe when I try it on to put it on my Depop profile, I'll realise how much I actually love it and then I'll reach for it more. Is that cheating? It's going. It'll go to a better home. It'll go to somebody who will wear it often. I hope. So I've done all of this section and we've got one of these vertical hangers down. So we're trooping on. What am I meant to do with this? Because I never wear it, but it's like a high school leavers hoodie. So it's sentimental. I'm not really that sentimental though. This is another thing, like, do I give this to charity? With like all the leavers' names on them? Really not that sure. Maybe I'll just put that downstairs. Okay, so I never wear this belt, which is a shame because I actually really loved it when I bought it, but I just never reached for it. So that can go on Depop, as can this. I've got this like iridescent belt from Shein that still has the label on it and never worn that before. I am going to keep this in case of a fancy dress emergency. And this one is a little bit wrecked actually, so I don't think I'm going to give that to charity or put it on Depop. I think that just has to go straight in the bin because it is just very well loved. I've got a lot of use out of that, so I don't feel guilty for getting rid of it. Okay, so now what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to put everything that is for sale on my Depop in this box, although I don't think it's all going to fit in there, but it's worth a try. I think when this video goes live, I'm going to do a big sale on my Depop just because I'm desperate to get rid of all these things. So I think I might do something like a 25% sale. So if you want some cheap stuff, get over to my Depop. Got some Adidas Superstars. I have never worn these actually, but I did get them secondhand. Somebody was just doing a clear out, asked if I wanted them. They are slightly too small for me and I'm a UK 8. They're just a little bit snug, but authentic Adidas Superstars, so Not 100% sure what to do with this pile of stuff behind me, but whatever. So now I've got the challenge of putting everything back in. Okay, so it still doesn't look super neat, but the fact that I can like move these round and they will actually budge on the rail means that we're already getting somewhere. Like, there is already a hell of a lot more space. Considering we have got rid of all the stuff from my wardrobe, I say that's a big success, but now I have to take pictures of all of these things for my Depop, which is going to be actually not the next task, because the next task is going to be shorts, skirts and trousers. Oh, literally, like, this is not okay. I genuinely have about 20 things per hanger. I only just got this as well, and as much as I do really like it, now having worn it a few times for Instagram pictures, I don't actually know if I would ever wear it, so I think that's going to have to go on Depop as well. Okay, so that was a lot less successful. I ended up throwing away far less than I intended to. I don't know if any space will have been saved doing that, but we're gonna give it a go. Time to put it all back. Okay, you know what? I didn't think that would make much of a difference, but that has made an absolute world of difference. Down here, all my trousers are still a little bit crammed, but all this room. Oh my gosh, I feel like a free woman. This section doesn't necessarily look any better than it did. However, I am so pleased with this section. I did colour coordinate that because I couldn't help it. I could probably colour coordinate this as well. Shall we see? I am thoroughly pleased with that. Ultimate satisfaction, you know? So my next job is to pop all of that on my Depop. I reckon that is probably going to be like a 3 or 4 day job. So I am going to start doing that today, but this stuff I'm going to pop in a charity bag, take it to a charity shop, and then that stuff over there is going downstairs. I think I have done a banging job. I am really pleased with myself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up down below. If you want more, I say if you want more of this kind of content, but this is kind of like a once every 5 years kind of situation, so I can't exactly just pull out another wardrobe declutter. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very, very soon for another video.